let me show you how I get to tape this shoe. Taping. Now in this video I'll be showing you how I get to cut, how I get to tape my top lines on this particular shoe. So it's not a full video of the process, but you get to learn cutting, you get to learn taping. What I mean by taping in shoemaking, you get to learn it here from this video. So if you are just watching us for the first time, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, drop your comment, ask your questions, and if need be, you can reach out to me on 09035539885. It's my WhatsApp number. Thank you. So we get to cut this. Now here we have our pattern traced already. We have our quotas traced, like any other shoe. Our quota here it's 4. Thus we have 2 for the right leg, 2 for the left leg. So I'm getting to cut them. While you have your cutter cut, then we have a part of the vamp also. Now this particular one is part of the vamp. I get to double it because the material is a bit light, so I have to double the material. So I come back to my quotas here. Now you can see the complete tracing of this shoe on this particular material. That is the cap, the shoe cap. That is the quota, and the other one is the vamp. All right. So where we get to trace. Now this is how we trace. You trace left, then you flip your paper and trace your right. Okay. So tracing is left and right. Don't forget. So I have my quota, getting to cut. Make sure if you're cutting, you have to be, you have to cut on top your line, and make sure you don't shake your hand. Make sure you have a straight cutting, possibly very straight and neat. Yes, that will define your work. Your finishing defines your work. Okay, so you have to be careful while you're cutting. Make sure you have a straight cutting. Don't allow your scissors to shake off the tracing line. So while you cut, be careful not to go outside your tracing line. Okay, so this part of the quota she's cutting, and it's where I will be taping. Why am I taping this? What's the importance of taping? One, the major importance of taping in shoemaking is that it avoids tearing of material, and it also give your product beautification. Okay, so one, it prevents tearing, and the second is beautification purpose. Okay, so I'll get to tape 2 major parts of this shoe. That's the top line and also the cap. All right, so watch out. Now while you're taping, you'll be rubbing your gum on the top line. Yeah, you're rubbing your gum on the top line. Just carefully rub your gum on the top line, just little, minute per se, just rub it just little, so that now you see what I'll be using to tape. Now we have bias that we use, and you can also use your light material depending on the color you're doing. You can use that particular color, light material of that particular color you're using. Like here we have black, so I get to tape with a light material of black. That's a black leather material, light one. That's what I use to tape. So while you rub your gum on it, you rub on the light material also, then you now join them together. Look at what I'm doing. Join them together at the tip. All right, so after joining, then you sew it. You get to stitch it using your sewing machine. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, ask your questions if there are any questions to ask. Copy the link and share. Drop a comment, tell me what you feel or how you get to tape your own um shoes. All right, so we get to stitch along the line. You see the stitching line, just little. Okay, you see where I stitch, right? Just little. Then rub your gum, allow it for drying, then you have to fold it. And when I fold, you get to see what we have. All right, this is folding. So I have my dog. I have my little puppy around. Yeah, you can see it there. Yeah. So this is what we call taping. Get to turn over. Some people call it turnover, some call it taping. So you can see what we have now. This prevents this particular material from tearing, and it gives it beautification. Thanks for watching.